Today we will learn about query in MS Access. The database of any organization may contain huge amount of data. Moreover, it may consist of multiple tables. When the number of records in a table increases, it becomes an uphill task for any user to extract specific records from that table. MS Access provides you a solution for this problem through queries. A query is a database object that helps you to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables that meet a specific condition or criteria you define. The information retrieved on the basis of specified criteria in the query is stored in a separate table called the query table. Let us recall what is the importance of data type. Before moving forward, let us first talk about what is a query. A query is like a simple question that you ask to find specific information from the database. You can use queries to view, change, summarize, and analyze specific data in different ways. In our daily life, we make several types of queries to get specific information. For example, which students are scoring above 85% marks, which students live in Sector 4 Chandigarh, and so on. You can make quick decisions depending on that criteria. Let us take an example. In the student table, you have records of class 12 as well as class 10 students. Suppose you want to extract the records of only class 12 students or the records of class 10 students scoring more than 70 marks. You can find this with the help of queries. Queries are made on tables, and the result of a query is also displayed in the form of a table. The result which you get is a group of rows and columns with a set of records that matches the given condition. MS Access provides various types of queries: select, parameter, crosstab, action, and SQL, structured query language. Query. Do you know a select query retrieves data from one or more tables using the criteria you specify and displays the records in a data sheet? You can also use a select query to group data and to calculate sum, count, average, and other types of total. Let us discuss how to set a relationship between tables. Relationships are links that associate a field in one table with a field in another. In Access, you store data in multiple tables. To bring the information together, we need to define relationships between the tables. Once we have defined relationship between the tables, data from both the tables can be used by query, form, or report. A relationship works by matching a field with the same name in both tables. In most cases, these matching fields are the primary key from one table that uniquely identifies each record in a table, and a foreign key in the other table. Let us take a quick quiz. Define relationships in a table. A foreign key is a value in one table that must match the primary key in another table. To create a relationship, make two tables, one with the name, students table, that holds information about students such as roll numbers, names, class, address, city and state, and the other with the name maths table that holds the information about the student's percentage and grade in maths. Open one of them in Datasheet view. In the ribbon, click either on the Table tab or Database Tools tab and select the Relationships button in the Relationships group. The Show Table window opens up, displaying the list of tables in the database. Select the required table and click on Add button to add it in the Relationships window. Likewise, add more tables to the Relationships window. Click the Close button to close the Show Table dialog box. Drag the primary key of the parent table, example students table, and drop it over the same field in the child table, example math table. The Edit Relationships dialog box appears. Click on Create button. Access creates the relationship between the tables. A line linking the two tables will appear indicating that both have been linked. Click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar to save the relationship. OK, note that activate the Queries tab if your relationships are based on queries, or activate Both tab if relationships are based on both tables and queries. Let us share an important tip with you. After a relationship has been created between two tables, you must delete the relationship before you make modifications to the fields on which relationship is based. To delete a relationship, click the line that connects the tables and press the delete key.